Do you want to know how you can log into your Yahshua Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Yahshua Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and then go to your search bar and search for Yahshua Payroll login and then click on the first link. It will take you to the official login portal of Yahshua Payroll online. You can see YPO over here. Go ahead and write down your email address in the first box and then go to the password section and write down your password and then click on this button and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Yahshua Payroll account. If you want to skip all of this and want to sign in using your Google account, go ahead and click on continue with Google and then select your Google account, click sign in, and then you can sign in using your Google account as well. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to reset it, so go ahead and click it if you want to reset it. I hope this video about how you can log into your Yahshua Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.